If you have date columns in your data, you can apply different transformations to help extract particular bits of information from that. For example, I've got a date column here, but I might want to pull out the day of the week or the quarter that date fell in. It's easy to do that with the Power BI Query Editor. On the transformation ribbon, you'll see a date option over here, and I've got a few different drop-downs that show me the different pieces that I can extract. So for example, the day of the week or the day of the year, or just to extract the year piece or the first date of the year, the last date of the year, etc., etc. Now, when I'm working in the Transform tab of the ribbon here, that means that I'm changing this column and I'm going to replace it with the piece that I choose. So I've replaced that date with just the year. If instead I wanted to add a new column with that information, I can choose this Add Column tab from the ribbon, and you'll see I have the same options. So let's just extract the year piece, and you'll see it adds it as a separate column into my query. So for example, I might want to do the day of the week. So I get a zero-based index, 0 to 6 for which day it is. Or I could choose the quarter. So sure enough, all these dates in January or in the first quarter of the year. So there's a whole range of different options that you get here to extract certain information from your date time fields. If I had time in here, I could do the same sort of thing for pulling out hours or minutes or seconds. And my duration one, where I'd have options to combine things from minutes to hours or into seconds, etc., etc. A few different options for working with dates and times.